Hi guys, in my previous video we discussed about literals. Today we are going to discuss how to use Python as calculator. The arithmetical operators addition and subtraction is fully in line with mathematical standards. An asterisk sign is a multiplication operator and slash sign is a divisional operator. Let's check the output of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of given codes. Next we are going to discuss about exponential operator. A double asterisk sign is an exponential operator. It is also known as power operator. We can read the code as 4 to the power of 2 or 4 raised to 2 and its output is 16. Next we are going to discuss about integer division. A double slash sign is an integer divisional operator and its result lacks fractional part. That means the results are always rounded. 6 double slash 4 gives output as 1 by avoiding the fractional parts. Avoiding the fractional part, the integer divisional operator is different from standard divisional operator. Next we are discussing about remainder operator. A percentage sign is an remainder operator. The result of the operator is a remainder left after the integer division. 6 percentage 4. We know the remainder left after the integer division is 2. Run. OK, and the output is 2. Similar like mathematics, Python is also having operator priority. Check this code. Python will do multiplication first, then addition. Operator priority order. First priority is for unary operator, second for exponential, third for multiplication, division and modulo, and fourth for binary operators. Let's check the output of this code. 6 plus 4 star 3. Multiplication first and then addition, and we will get an output as 18. Next is operator binding. Check this code. Modulo is left operator binding. That means code calculate from left to right. First 7 percentage 4 gives 3. Then 3 percentage 2 gives output as 1. Run this code in Python and check the outputs. Similarly, exponential is right operator binding. That means the code calculate from right to left. Check this code. First 2 exponential 3 gives 8. Then 2 exponential 8 gives output as 256. Run this code in Python shell and check the outputs. Next we are discussing about parenthesis. In accordance with arithmetic rules, parentheses are always calculated first. In this code, parenthesis will calculate first, then follow same like operator priority that we discussed before. Check the output. We will get the output as 0.625. Try your own codes with the combination of parenthesis and all arithmetic operators. On my next video, we will discuss more about variables. Thank you for watching my video.